Now, I'm waiting for my cat. He's like a lunatic. There he is. Oh my gosh, he's so scary. Watch him, like, run up these stairs. Nova, come here. You psycho lunatic. Come here. Put my foot in there. Oh my gosh, she's so scared. Like, really? I'm not running from him. He's just psycho. Watch. He'll like freak out. He's crazy. He just pops up from the oh my god. Snowball. I'm hitting him in the face with the strings in the camera and he's ignoring it. Uh-oh. His arch enemy. The dog. Drinking his water. Why does he look orange in the camera? He's white. Oh, now he's relaxed. No, it's okay. Mingus! Mingus, come here! Ming, come! Come on, buddy. Where'd you go? Big fatty? Come on, boy. What? Why'd you get behind me? Ming. Ming. Ming, say hi. Right to the camera. He's like, I ain't talking to the camera. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. I'm a psycho killer. I'm a psycho. Psycho. No, they didn't fight. That's weird. Okay. Let's see what's going on at the door that they have to all go over and see. Snowball, stop! Seriously, that's not funny. Leave the dog alone. Mingus, go on. Bye!